Yes, I know that 1 and 1 are 2. Ain't no problem that I can't see through, as long as it's just me and you, my crazy little bees.
So this is an old Halloween ornament that roars and lights up and moves, and I actually use this for a bear scare. So I'm just going to replace his batteries and see if he still works. He's been outside all winter. Okay, I just got some fresh batteries. That might not even be the problem, but I'm hoping that's all it is. Hi, Gertie. What are you doing? Oh, look at this dog. It was her birthday yesterday. Just bringing the dinosaur egg skeleton man to the bee yard. So I got him here. Go for a little toot and get him set up, and I'll show you how we set up for bee deterrent. I'm at the bee yard now. So conveniently enough, my husband has disconnected the power to the bee yard. That's the way it is. So I'll have to show you it in action, I guess, later. Is we have Dino working it in here, which is a Halloween decoration we've gotten from, I think, Canadian Tire or Walmart. Canadian Tire is like a big hardware store in Canada. And then I think for the US you guys have Walmart. I forget where I got them from, but somewhere. But he's on a sensor, so he's been working pretty well. And then the other thing we do is we have normally a motion sensor, the ones you get for like your back deck, and you can get the solar ones as well. So you could try it with just a light. My husband's rigged this one up, so it is a light with the motion sensor, but we also have a plug. 2 lights pointed, spotlights pointed to cover the whole bee yard. Just a basic clock radio. You don't want to get the digital ones, you want to get the ones with the dial. So it's a clock radio with the radio turned to on. Find a really clear station. And then we use just a bucket. I don't know if you've seen that, where you put like earbuds in a bowl or your phone in a bowl or something, and it really amplifies it. So we put the clock radio inside of there, point it toward the bee yard. It also protects it from the rain, and it blasts music, whatever you can find that's really clear. And then we have 2 spotlights that turn on. So it works pretty well. So that's 3 things there we use. We use dinosaur, we use the light, we use sound. So this has been keeping the bears away from what I can tell. The first year we had our bees, the bears came in, ripped this yard apart, and then also, yeah, it was awful. Took the frames into the tree, the big, can you see that big oak tree behind me? Took the frames up in that oak tree and just ate, just licking and ripped them apart. Another thing is the ratchet straps. So put the ratchet straps across here. I haven't done it yet, I just have my bricks on still from the winter. So I ratchet strap around the center of the hive, and I'm going to be reworking the whole bee yard. So I'll show you what I'm doing with that to accommodate for a little space for the ratchet strap. But my hive got knocked over last year from, I'm assuming, a bear, but that's all he did was knock one hive over. It tipped over and stayed together. I just came over, flipped it back up, had 3 honey supers on top, and it was perfectly fine. So I recommend those 4 strategies. Light ratchet straps, Halloween ornaments, not important, but yeah, those are just, we kind of try everything. So those are my tips for keeping the bears away. Really looking forward to showing you how to make hive stands, which is coming up very soon. Hope that you enjoyed my tips. Looking forward to showing it in action, because it is pretty cool. But I'll come out and I'll show it at night when it's working, and you can really get a glimpse of it. But the sound too is for during the day, because bears not only come out at night, but you see them in the evenings. So the light's not going to do much. So for me, sound really goes that extra mile. And Dino is just a terrifying sight. Look at him behind me. So scary. Anyway, take care. I'll see you later this week. The temperature today, pretty chilly. This is how I feel about it.